Hello, welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Vivek and today I'll show you how to use the Localization Editor with booking pages. The Localization Editor allows you to localize the scheduling experience for your customers. For example, if you have clients or leads who are from non-English speaking regions, you could change the text for the customer-facing user interface so that the text is shown in that particular language that the leads and clients can easily understand or prefer. To get started with using the localization editor, any OneSub administrator or the account owner can log in to OneSub and then click on Booking Pages from the left. Once you're on the booking page scheduling setup, you can go to the localization editor from the panel on the left. You'll see that some locales have already been created. For example, if you take a look at the Spanish locale, you'll see that the text appears in English on the left and it has been translated to Spanish on the right. If we take a look at any particular booking page to see how the locale would be applied, we can click on the preview option and then take a look. So here you'll see that some text appears in Spanish, whereas other text appears in English. So the text on the left can be customized on the booking page or the event type or the master page itself. In this particular case, on the left, you're seeing the title for the booking page on the left, the welcome message from the public content section of the booking page on the left, and my email and the website address, which is also from the public content section of the booking pages. The text which is translated is the text within the user interface. So for example, you can see that towards the top where it says select a category has been translated to Spanish. Now, if I take a look at any particular service, you'll see that text such as duration has been translated to Spanish. You can manually translate other information such as the name of the event type and the description of the event type to Spanish as well. And if you take a look at the calendar itself, all of the information on the calendar has been translated to Spanish. And if we select any date and time slot, you'll see that even here there are some booking form fields which are appearing in English. You would have to translate these particular fields separately from the booking forms editor. To create a new locale, we can go back to the localization editor and then click on the new locale button at the top right corner. Now let's say I wanted to create a locale for a language that is not on the list currently. So let's say Swedish. So I can simply create a new locale for the Swedish language by creating a new custom locale, and then I can duplicate it from any existing locale. Once a new locale has been created, I can select the date and time format and the week start day from the drop-downs here. If I scroll towards the bottom, you'll see that there is English text on the left and Swedish text on the right. You can easily use any translator to translate the text on the left to the Swedish language and then change the language from the right side. Once you have done this for each of the fields in the localization editor, your customer-facing calendar link will be ready to be shared with clients or leads from that region who are speaking that particular language. I hope this video was helpful in understanding how a new locale can be created using the localization editor. In case of any queries, please feel free to reach out to us at support@oncehub.com. I hope you have a good day and take care.